a wonderful day! Welcome to our channel where we learn the physics behind things. Before we start, I would like to ask you something first. Do you love traveling? If you do, I'm sure that you're one of the people who really wants to go on a trip right now. But due to the pandemic that we're experiencing today, most of our plans have been cancelled in order to follow the safety protocols to help in eradicating the COVID-19. I know most of us want to travel normally like before, but for now, let's reminisce about the time where we were free and can travel joyfully. Now earlier, I asked you if you love traveling, and the reason why I asked that question is because the object for today that you will learn the physics behind it is related to traveling. Remember the time when you were traveling and you are in the airport. Before you get into the plane, I'm sure that you have noticed these devices. These are the different types of scanners that you can see at the airport. There are many scanners in the airport, but for today, we will focus on the body scanner. There are two types of full body scanner, the millimeter wave unit scanner and the backscatter unit scanner. For today's video, our center of attention will be the millimeter wave unit body scanner. But before we go into the process of how this body scanner works, let's have a glimpse first about what a body scanner is. Body scanners allow the airport security to use technology to screen passengers and to identify where on the body items may be hidden. The first full body scanner was developed by Dr. Stephen W. Smith. He was the inventor of the Secure 1000 whole body scanner in 1992. He later sold it to Rapiscan Systems, who now manufactures and distributes the device. In this time, there are now different types of scanners, but for today, we will focus on the millimeter wave scanner. It's awesome to know that this scanner is able to see what is behind our clothing. But have you wondered how? How is body scanner capable of this? Let me show you how. How does a millimeter wave scanner work? Millimeter wave scanner is a whole body imaging device. It is used for detecting objects concealed under a person's clothing. It uses a form of electromagnetic radiation. Unlike traditional metal detectors, body scanners are able to identify both metallic and non-metallic objects. Millimeter wave scanner emits microwaves, which are non-ionizing. It does not penetrate deep into the tissues, it does not damage the DNA, and does not produce cancer, meaning there's no need to worry about the exposure. The electromagnetic waves are used for generating high-resolution images of unusual objects that might be concealed in the passenger's clothing. These unusual objects are then superimposed on the image of a mannequin-like image to protect the privacy of the traveler. In the monitor, if the mannequin-like image shows green, it means that the scanner did not detect any contraband, which means that the passenger can enter the facility safely. On the other hand, if the mannequin-like image turns gray, the scanner has detected a contraband. The gray image would also have a red indicator mark, which shows where the contraband is located. And that is how a millimeter scanner works. After knowing the physics behind the millimeter wave scanner, it is also important to know why we need this device in the airport. Millimeter wave scanner, together with the other type of scanner, are significant because it plays a huge role in the security of both the passengers and the staff inside the plane and the airport. All must obey the rules because it is also for the safety of everyone. These safety procedures may take quite a long time, but this will ensure that there were no any type of illegal and harmful objects enter the airport and the passengers will be safe in the whole duration of the flight. And that is all for today. I hope that you guys have learned something. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and knowledgeable videos.